Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to unlink threads from Instagram. So, guys, in order for you to do this process, you have to deactivate your account. So, in order for you to do that, first thing is just simply go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, just simply select the two lines on the top right corner of the screen at the top of your profile, and now, right here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the account. And here on the account, you could go for deactivate or delete profile. And now from here, you could just simply select deactivate profile over here. So as you can see, deactivating your profile is temporary. Your thread content and likes will not be visible, but you could just simply reactivate it by logging back in. So make sure to select deactivate profile and just simply select deactivate. So guys, once you have done that, you should be able to unlink your threads from Instagram. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.